Welcome! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to review, accept or return submissions, and message participants directly in Useberry's participant pool. It's all about giving you more control, better communication, and higher quality results. Let's dive in. For my e-commerce mobile usability test, I've created an audience by recruiting participants through Useberry's integration with Prolific's panel. Let's go through our new features. Here you can view the responses you've gathered and which submissions are pending review. Gain full control over your study's data quality and participant experience with our new approve and ask to return features. Now you can review every submission and decide what's best easily and fairly. The new messaging feature enables direct communication between researchers and participants, streamlining study management and ensuring better data quality. Whether you need to provide feedback, clarify a task, or resolve an issue, messages help you do it quickly and effectively. Here, I can select a specific participant I want to contact and start my conversation. You can message any participant who has taken part in your study, both before and after the review process. I'll open up this submission to see how they responded to my study and decide on the action I want to take. When a participant submits their response, you have 4 days to review it. After this window, Useberry will automatically approve and pay them if no action is taken. For best practice, we suggest reviewing the participants as soon as possible. Here, you can view and message this participant directly. Just leave your message here. You can also scroll through their submissions, seeing how they responded to each study block. If any questions come up about their answers, you can reach out to them directly from this view. During the review period, you have two options: approve and pay. So if everything looks good, simply approve the submission and pay the participant immediately. Let's go ahead and approve this. You can see here that the participant's status has been updated to paid. The other option is ask to return. You can ask to return a submission when it doesn't meet your study's requirements. So here is the pop-up, and we can see the reasons you can choose for a return, which are the participant completed the study too quickly, the participant did not follow the study's instructions, the participant attempted to complete the study using an unsupported device, or the participant submitted low effort responses. So this is how it works. Just choose a reason from the dropdown. Add a personalized message explaining why you're requesting the return. For example, your response didn't fulfill my study needs. And then send the request. Ask to return here. So the participant has 4 hours now to act. During the return window, you can still message the participant directly. And if at any time you change your mind, you can approve and pay instead. If they don't respond within the time limit, their submission will be closed and they will be removed from your study, and a new participant will automatically replace them, keeping your study on track. You can now resolve issues faster, no more back and forth or delayed responses. The messaging feature allows near real-time communication, speeds up the process of fixing issues or misunderstandings, and reduces study turnaround time. Now, let's see how the real-time messaging works. I'll approve the submission and thank this person for contributing. So I'll just go here and say, thanks for participating. I can see the participant reply to me. Glad to help. Perfect. These updates were built with researchers like you in mind, so you can gain full control over participant submissions and ensure better data quality with real-time messaging. If you have any questions, email us at contact@useberry.com or message us through our website chat. Thank you.